Are you looking to meet other people near you for potential relationship partners, for friendship, or for fun? Introducing Ping. Ping is a social network app that serves as a platform for users who want to meet other people, have fun, and make new friends when you want to. When you're out at any social gathering, log into Ping and see people looking for the same type of connection as you right now. With a user-friendly interface, Ping allows users to sign up either with their email address or Facebook account. You simply log in when you're ready to meet or chat with people right now. When logged in, there will be a message box for you to simply write what's on your mind in a brief message. That will allow Ping users around you to know what your intentions are or who you're with to cut out any confusion. Both users can ping each other to send a friend request or chat privately. Easily see where your friends are in the app's map view. Unlike any other apps, you're able to see what's going on right now. No need to schedule dates, you can meet right now. Friends will have full access to each other's profiles, including photos, name, and other information to help make special connections. Don't stay bored. Start meeting great people right now and having fun with Ping.